Okay. Oh, fuck. Oh, come on. Oh, this bike's hard to get onto with the bag on the back. Oh. Alright. This is the first ride on the Duke with the new radiator fan. Oh. We're just going to see how we go. This is also a road test of the Apeman A77. It's always a bit unnerving getting back on the Duke. I mean, it's a fantastic little bike, but it is just worlds away from the experience of riding the CB125.